Oh, hey, Dan here, and we're about 15 minutes from the close. So I just thought I'd get started on this video early. Um, AI, we've got a lot of stocks in our active trade idea list, and with the exception of AMD, which is down like $2, all of our trades are going really well. We're positioned properly, I think, and the market thinks. But one I wanted to highlight here was AI. Now we took this stock at 24.50 a while ago. What did I put that on the 23rd? So we've been on it, for over a week because it had run back up above the 20 day moving average or the middle Bollinger Band, and volume on that day was pretty good. That's this right here, almost average, but the way this thing has been screaming, like, what's average today? It's up, 55 million shares traded, and a lot of those were actually mine, I think. I mean, I'm buying the snot out of this thing all day long. Liquidated some into the close just for risk management purposes. But I wanted to show you something. So the stock rebounds off the 20. And this was a key move because it was on volume. And then it traded sideways for a few days, like 3 days, until it finally kind of got its legs and ran up above 26. This was just on Wednesday. And again, volume was higher than it had been on the prior day, which was the only low day. In other words, the only day of selling. So we had high volume buying, lower volume buying, but still not bad. And then the lowest volume selling. And then since that time, the stock has been running back up on heavy volume. So there's a lot of institutional buying here, just a lot of institutional buying. If you even look at it on the intraday chart, the orange line here is the volume weighted average price. So right now, for example, at 31.31, that means that the average price of all shares traded today was $31.31. You'll also see, and so right now, what are we? Well, we're a buck 70 above where the volume weighted average price is. That tells you, when you look at this disparity and you see that it took off right out of the gate and kept on going, this tells you that there's institutional demand for this stock all the way through. Now, I'm sure there are plenty of retail traders other than me that are in this stock, but you don't get this kind of move. I mean, look how dramatic this is. Over 55 million shares traded. You don't get this kind of move because Billy Bob Jethro and Austin had their bait and stock trading shop, buying the stock today. And this isn't just, I don't know, Insta Reddit, whatever it is, doing it. If you look at the weekly chart, this stock looks to me like it's just getting going. You look at where this stock had traded here, and do you think that maybe the market awareness and the value of this product, I use it, I like it, I ask it to tell me something good about me, and it does. A lot of things just entered my mind to say, but I'm not going to. All I'm saying is this has plenty of headroom to move higher. And if you look at the last time this was at this level, it was over a year ago. It was 14 months ago while the stock was on its way down. So this is hitting a 52-week high today on huge volume. So frankly, I think this stock's just getting started. You're gonna have some wiggles and jiggles here. It's not just going to go up in a straight line, but I absolutely believe the path of least resistance is up, and that's why it's my biggest position. So anyway, I hope you find this useful. If you're a member, I recorded a pretty long and detailed video today about trading stocks, about our active trade list, and also some things on options as well, because I have taken over Option Market Mentor, and I'll be teaching a class on that probably next week. I'm not real sure which yet. We still have to get some things organized and fixed before I do. But if you are interested in options, if you're interested in joining Option Market Mentor, you can email my assistant, Karen Perez. It's just Karen@stockmarketmentor.com, and let her know you're interested. And we'll make sure and get you on the email list so that you're the first on your block to know when I've got Option Market Mentor all dialed in. You can join right now. I'm just telling you, we've got some things coming in the next week or so. So anyway, I hope this finds you well and that you have an awesome weekend.